Hello everyone. So the issue having this evening is got a blocked drain at home. So this is the one in the garage. It is hooked up to the main sink in the kitchen inside the house here. And the problem is it's all blocked up. So the outlet is down here, which is slowly going. Looks like it's got some sort of like food material or something stuck up somewhere up to the pipe. So this is where I found was previous. I've done this. Use the water blaster, water pressure, stick the hose in, turn the water on, and hopefully that pressure will be able to break through whatever's jamming in. Alright, let's get into it. So water's on. Still not happy. It's not flowing that quick. This is going slowly. Probably I'll give it more pressure, see if it breaks through. actually flowing quite well. I think I'll give it a few more trips and hopefully clears the whole lot. Separate. Separate. Yep, this flowing quite well. No issues with the flow there. Alright, boom. That was easy. Job done. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.